You have recently completed building a Node CRRAC cluster, and you are now seeing a lot of instability, congestion, and network packet losses in the network. Which two items related to the private interconnect could have caused these issues? Option A. IP addresses allocated to the private interconnect have been specified in /etc/hosts. Option B. The connections between the duster nodes for both public and private interfaces are using the same switch. Option C. All the private interfaces used for the interconnects are being configured in separate subnets. Option D. You have used crossover cables for the cluster interconnect. The correct answer is option B, D. The disk_repair_time attribute has expired after a transient disk error. What happens next? Option A. Nothing, it was only a warning. All the disks are okay. Option B. This means that the disk is repaired and is put back in the ASM disk group. Option C. Oracle ASM drops the disk. Option D. This means that Oracle will use ASM Fast Mirror Resync to sync the rest of the disks. The correct answer is option D. Identify the incorrect statement about server pools. Option A. Server pools divide a cluster into logical groups of servers in which the application can be a database or a non-database. Option B. An application is considered a singleton when it runs on a single server in a pool. Option C. The database administrator must use the CRSCTL utility to create and manage clusters that contain Oracle RAC databases. Option D. Oracle default server pools are defined as free and generic server pools. Option E. Database administrators can create and manage server pools that will contain Oracle RAC databases by using the SRVCTL utility. The correct answer is option E. You are preparing two Oracle Linux nodes, Node and Node, for the installation of Oracle Grid infrastructure. You plan to use the existing Linux users Grid as grid infrastructure software. What task must be performed before installing the Grid infrastructure? Option A. Change the user Grid initial login group to DBA. Option B. No task must be performed. Option C. Change the user ID of the grid user in Node 1, Node 2, or both nodes to guarantee that the user IDs are equal. Option D. Add users to supplementary groups of grid in Nadia. Or, alternatively remove users from supplementary groups of Node 2 grid. Option E. Use another Linux user as grid might be used for other purposes. The correct answer is option C,